Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Justina and here I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you through my DIYs. But as you see by clicking on today's video and seeing today's title, I have a new spring front porch decorating video for you. Now this one is really short and sweet. That's because recently I did move into our new home and I did get rid of a few things, plus I just didn't have enough spring decor in my decor stuff, so I did have to purchase just a few little things. Nonetheless, it still turned out really cute. Now, we do have a really small front porch, but I absolutely love it because it's not too small, but it's not too big. And we do have a little area over to the side where we can sit and have coffee or tea, which I absolutely love. Now, what I was really going for this year was for that my porch would be overgrown with a bunch of flowers and plants. So I do have a few plants there, but I am saving up to get a few more because I really wanted it to be overgrown with all different types of plants. But before we get started, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Plus, we would really love to have you here, part of our virtual art family. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for being here and taking the time out of your busy day to come along with me as I decorate my front porch. I do appreciate each and every one of you being here, but don't forget to do all of the YouTubey things down below, which is like, comment, and share it to at least one friend. It really does help out my channel. Now, I am not going to talk throughout the whole thing. I am going to play music in the background just so that you guys can get motivated and just follow along. There's not really much to really explain. You can see what I'm doing, so I really hope you guys enjoy. Now, with all that being said, let's just jump right into it and let's decorate today. I want to first show you that I did buy this outdoor bistro table from Five Below. I believe it was either $15 or $20, and the chairs are sold separately. Those were also $15 or $20. I cannot remember, but I did buy 2 chairs with them, and I absolutely love this thing. It's very affordable and it's really sturdy. Now, like I said, I am going to decorate my front porch area, but like always, you have to give it a nice good sweep down. I did this a few days earlier also, so it's not much to really clean, but I do sweep down my floor area and I do wipe my walls with the broom, and then I will start decorating. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch you here in just a little bit. Okay, friends, that really wraps it up for the front porch area. As you see here, here is a expanded view of my front porch area. Like I said, it's not really huge, but it's a nice, quaint little place that we like to hang out in when the sun is not directly on it. Now, like I mentioned before, I did buy that little bistro area from Five Below. I absolutely love it. And I did buy those rugs from Ross. And I do know that they're supposed to be indoor rugs for a little area, maybe your kitchen or your bathroom area. However, since my porch is covered, I do like to put these types of rugs right there. And it does say machine washable, so I can always wash it when it gets a little bit too dingy. But I do have plans to actually put a bigger rug here later on. I just didn't have it on with me right now. But my spouse did buy me these new plants that I absolutely love. I believe they are begonia plants and they are already flowering. Like I mentioned before, here is our little bistro area. I absolutely love it. And a lot of the things that are on the table are things that I've made on as DIYs. If you want to see any of those DIY projects, I'll make sure to link it down in the description box below. You can go check that out after today's video. Here is the front door area. Once again, that tall stack of teacups I did make into a DIY. Here is the closer view of my begonias, and I did get hibiscus plants also that I absolutely love. I do want to save up and get more so that I can have this whole area full with plants, so it's like I'm walking through my little secret garden getting through my front door. I really hope this video motivates you to maybe decorate a place in your home or give you some inspiration as to what to decorate. Like, you don't have to go too crazy to really make an impact, and I really do love how this turned out. Remember, friends, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free. But don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Plus, we would love to have you here, part of our virtual art family. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you being here. But don't forget to do all of the YouTube things down below, which is like, comment, and share it to at least one friend. It really does help out my channel. Remember, friends, I do have other socials. I do have a Facebook and Instagram, a Buy Me a Coffee, and now I just opened a Patreon page, and I am super excited. If you want to see what all that is about, I do have a video linked down in the description box below. You click on the link and it will take you to a free welcoming video to really go in detail about what my Patreon is about. But I would love for you to go check that out and maybe join my Patreon over there. I do want to give a shout out to my 2 Patreons who did decide to become a member. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate both of you. But like I said, if you want to become a member, the link will be down in the description box below. Thank you all so much for taking the time and watching today's video. I really hope it gave you some inspiration, and I am super excited for the spring season to really come our way, but I know it won't be long lasting because I do live in Texas and spring is maybe a week and then we're full blown into summer, but I am going to enjoy this nice cool weather that we are having. I absolutely love it. But thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.